Alright, I'm going to try to make a quick video here. I've been working on this car. I took out the back seats and I was removing some stuff that I thought was unnecessary, and I accidentally cut a wiring harness that operates the rear airbags. So that sucks. And it's a pretty thick cable, so I'm not going to fix it up or replace it. So this gave me the opportunity to go ahead and buy the rear coil conversion kit. I'm going to get rid of the airbags, but I'm going to start with this here. This is the air pump or air compressor, if you want to call it, for your rear airbags. The controller is located there, that gaping hole in the firewall. Anyway, it's underneath your air box. I've already removed the air box, and you're going to need basically just a 10 millimeter. You're probably going to need one of these little pry tool deals, because there are a few things attached to this air ride system. But you do have to get underneath the car, unfortunately, and I'll show you the location of this stuff. Okay. So basically right here is the corner of your bumper, and it is directly above that. You've got one 10 millimeter bolt there, one up here, and one over here. You're definitely going to need, kind of a long extension piece. And these are definitely in there. You're going to have to really kind of crank on it. It's held in there with more than just a couple of threads, so be patient with it. It is plastic. At the end of the day, if you have to break this or take like a cut-off wheel or something and cut it out, you can. But that should not be necessary. So again, you've got little bits here. Oh, made in Canada. Like fresh maple syrup and stuff. Anyway, so that is the motor. Right there. And you've got just a couple of clips here. I can't do this with one hand, really. Anyway, you're going to disconnect this wiring harness, but that's it. It comes right out. If you need to replace it, it's an easy replacement. It's going to drop right back into where you got it out from. Reconnect these little hoses, and you're ready to go if you just need to replace this unit. But mine's coming out all together. It's kind of heavy. It's definitely a little bit of a weight reduction there. And I'm becoming a weight reduction enthusiast in this car. Sometimes at my own peril. But next video I'm going to take out the airbags and do the swap